Apfelbaum with another LinkedIn training session. So if you've been paying attention to what I'm doing here, I'm using a tool called Evy AI. That's EVYAI. When you log in, you have the ability to go into the Learning Hub, click on the quick links, and then click on Happy Birthdays. That takes you right to your birthdays. Now, I have a few people that are celebrating their birthdays today. Today's 3/6, March 6th. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and wish him a happy birthday. I'm going to open up the side panel. This is a relatively new thing that we're doing here. I'm going to write happy birthday, and I'm going to use a particular template that I like. And I'm going to change the date over here because I like to have a specific date. I'm going to press copy, paste, and hit send to Dr. Amin. I'm also going to do the same thing for Angel 10. I'm going to send him a happy birthday just like that, and that was done for the day. Now, I am going to a networking event today, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into app.connectable. I'm going to get the specific list of members that are going to be at the event today. So here's the event that's happening. It's happening on East 37th Street. I have a list of 54 members here. I'm actually going to grab the entire attendee list here, and I'm going to go to Claude, and I'm going to say the following. Create a table for me that is numbered. Create a table for me that is numbered. So now I'm going to open up the side panel again in order for me to properly be able to do this, because I need to create a prompt here, and it's not letting me. It's kind of freezing up right now because my external hard drive is having a little bit of a heart attack. So I'm just going to wait a minute and see if it stops freezing. Let's see. It's still not stopping to freeze. And I don't know if you guys could even see me now, but there we go. Okay, I pasted it in. I'm going to hit Control-A, delete. I'm going to open up the side panel again because I need to write a message here for Claude. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say create a list, not a list, create a numbered table with first, last, company, and who invited the guest. In order for you to know who is a guest, if they were invited by somebody specific, then you know that they are a guest. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to say create a numbered list. I'm going to copy just this part of it because I don't need the whole thing. I'm going to go to the top here. I'm going to press enter, and I'm going to hit go. Create a numbered table. So now it's going to create a numbered table for me just like this. It's going to create an artifact that gives me a numbered table. And it's going to show me all the people that have a guest. Okay, now I'm going to say, can you only show me the guests in a table? I'm going to hit reset. I'm going to say, can you only show me the guests inside a table? Okay. And now it's going to only show me the guests inside a table. So now I'm going to go into a sheet. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go to sheets.new. Sheets.new opens up a Google Sheet just like that. Do you see that? And now I'm going to do format data, and I'm going to format, and then I'm going to do clear formatting. So now I have this right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each person that's here, and I'm going to research them using artificial intelligence to help me make sense out of who these people are, because I do have their company name. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to look for my Perplexity research agent that I can easily research every single person that's here. I have my template generators, and in order for me to find my Perplexity research agent, I just have to go in here and click prompt, and it's going to do my AI research assistant. You see that? It's right here. So I'm going to press copy, and I am going to go to Perplexity, which is another AI. I'm going to say act as a research assistant and create a comprehensive information about the fellow person from company in JSON format. Provide the following information. So now all I need to do is I need to take this information, paste it in here. I'm going to say in table format. In table format. Okay, I'm going to press go, and let's just see what it does. Okay, good. So now I found this person here, just like this, found all their information. It made it into a JSON. I'm going to go here and just kind of see if this is a person. It looks like this is the person that it found. And if I want, I can just take this person here just like that and do that. Now, instead of doing this, what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to say EA guess for 3/6/2025. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do a little bit of research on every single person by using something I have inside my I have a connections dashboard. But you know what I want to also do is I want to separate their first and last name. So I'm going to create a new column. I'm going to create a new column on the left. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to split this. The problem is if I split it, it's going to put Van Orden here. I'll just cut this out here. I'm going to say first name, last name. Okay, so we got first name, last name. I can also research every single person that's here using our reverse search tool. We have a reverse search tool. I'm going to cut this out here. Nancy Vargas, Wendy, you see that? Nick Moore from the museum. Jamie, Kyle McKenzie, Vince, and then Roberta Worden. Okay, so these are the people that are coming today to the event, and I want to research every single person here, and I want to use AI to help me quickly research each person. So what's the fastest way to do this? Well, what I can easily do is I can use my connections dashboard. So if I go into here, I click on this, and then I open up my Evi AI Pro LinkedIn Connections dashboard. I can actually use the formulas from here to be able to pull the information and redo some of those formulas. So I'm going to go here. I have the formula here. I'm going to do we're going to do B2. We're going to do B2, and then we're going to do C2. Okay, so first and last. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just do D2 from D2 company. Okay, optional LinkedIn, if you can find it. And I'm just going to delete this extra text thing here that we don't need. Okay, hopefully this doesn't break the whole thing. And we're not going to do and. Okay, let's just see if this actually worked, or did I break it? Okay, let's just see. Oh, look at that. Conversation starters, potential cross borders. Okay, so we have information about this person here, so that worked. I'm going to go ahead and copy the AI research. I'm also going to copy the formula from here to here. And I'm going to click in here. I'm going to go into the box. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, here we go. I'm going to go into the box, and I'm going to say text, href, and href. You know what? I could just go in here and just do B2. B2 and C2 and D2. Okay, so that's good. I'm going to go in here, drag this down. A little nerdy. Let me do a Google search for this person. No. Okay. Let's just see if this is the right person. It looks like this is the right person. So we're just going to put their LinkedIn URL here, because if I have their LinkedIn URL, I can do a lot more with the person. Now, what I can also do is broker of record, right realty. Okay, it looks like this is the right person. Okay, I'm going to go in here and look this person up here. Nancy Vargas. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to pull the information from here. Very, very quick. Wendy. I'm using Google to automatically search these people. And then we're going to do some more research using the AI agent, which I'm actually going to re-add their LinkedIn URL for the AI agent to do research on them using their LinkedIn URL, actually. Because now I'm grabbing their LinkedIn URL using Google. And as you can see, most people have their Google listed right on the first page of Google. Their LinkedIn listed right on the first page of Google. I'm just going to modify this like that. See what comes up. And then I could also do site:linkedin.com and see if Jamie comes up. And if he doesn't come up, I can just search North County Limo. And as you can see, his name is James. You see the way I changed the Google search there and I found him? Mackenzie from this electrifying alarm system company. Just like that. Let's just see this person. This person, Matt Odin from Breakroom Speciality. Matthew Van Odin Company. Let me just see. I'm going to delete Breakroom Speciality. Does he work for Shake Shack? Matthew Van Odin. Salato.com. I think this guy is just an assistant at Shake Shack or something. Executive Kitchen at Havana. No, that doesn't make any sense. Let me do site:linkedin.com. Yeah, this looks like it might be the only person. Let me just see if there's any other profiles. Yeah, there's not a lot of people with that name on Google. Let me just do a quick AI research here. See if AI can pick up anything. I apologize, I don't have enough accurate information. Okay, so AI research couldn't pick it up. Google couldn't pick it up. So I don't know who this person is, but we're going to have to research it later. We had a problem with their last name, and now we have a major problem. Okay. All right, so let's just see who this person is. Real estate and development. This makes sense that this is this person. So we'll go here. And then Roberta from Win Investments, which will probably be an easy win. Roberta from Win Investments right here. Okay. Roberta has 1,900 followers. And now I have all these people here. Wow. This is powerful. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to move this here. So we have their LinkedIn, who they were invited by. And now I can start building relationships with these people. I could start reaching out to them in advance, sending them connection requests. Like, for example, for Roberta, probably the most interesting one for me based on who she is, podcast host. She has a podcast. So I'm going to click on the three dots here. I'm going to hit connect. And I'm going to hit add a note. And I'm going to say EANYC guest. Connection note to guest. Looking forward to seeing you, DM, divorce lawyers. I'm a member of New York. I'm a member of executive. We have a lunch at the Harvard. Hey, Roberta. Okay, so that's the wrong one. Let's see. Connection note. EA. NYC. Virtual guest. Let's see. Guest. Roberta, looking forward to seeing you. Looking forward to seeing you at NYC today. Let's connect on LinkedIn so we can learn more about each other. Send. Okay, so I just sent her a connection note. Now I'm going to do a little bit of research on her. Ooh, she's from Argentina. That's cool. Okay, so I'm going to have our AI. I'm going to save her profile. And I'm going to have our little artificial intelligence technology be able to do a little bit of research on her. Okay, I'm going to press Save Roberta. I'm going to, first of all, look at her recent activity to see what she's been up to. And once I can find out what she's been up to here, I can leave a comment. Excited to share that I'll be in London March 17th. Amazing. I'm going to send her a connection request. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to generate a comment on her recent post and tag her. I'm going to press insert. Enjoy your trip to London. Hope to see you. Hope to see you at NYC today. Okay, I'm going to tag her so she gets notified. Okay, and it even added a little quote because I'm using my quote persona. And if you want to see my quote personas, just say, show me your quote persona. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into here and I'm going to do networking summary, research this person. Oh, wow, she's a Scorpio too. Her birthday's November 3rd. That's awesome. I'm also going to use one of my perplexity. Okay, let me start deleting all these people here because we don't need a million things open. We're going to do a little bit of research using our AI agent to find more information about her. With a click of a button, we're pulling it up. Okay, it looks like she is the co-founder of Win Investments. Her target audience is sports organization and clubs, athletes and players, tokenized information, how they help clients, blockchain solutions, good to know. I heard you were the youngest player in Argentina's field hockey team. Oh, snap. Your work in tokenizing football transfers is groundbreaking. What inspired you to apply blockchain technology to sports? Oh, my goodness. That's cool. I'm fascinated by your background in urban ecologies. Okay, so let's pull up an Apollo and see if we can grab a cell phone number here. I'm going to press save. See if we can grab a cell phone number here. Ooh, we have a cell phone number. Let's see if this works. Bam, 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 bam. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to see if we can do a WhatsApp right now before the event. I don't know if it'll work or won't work, but we'll test it out. Hola, señorita. Hola, señorita. Oh, look at that. Yes, WhatsApp works. This is an actual phone number. Hey, it's Joe Apfelbaum. Looking forward to seeing you at ENYC. By the way, my mom is from Argentina. Oh, no. All right. That should seal the deal. All right. That's it. I did it. I did my work, ladies and gentlemen. I got to go for a run. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Boom. Let me know if